Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and do so once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you will see a screen recording toggle. For me it is on the first page right over here, but if you don't see it on the first page you can just swipe to the left. And this will show you second and third page. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will give you this this pop-up right here, giving you 4 options: close, settings, folder, which includes all the screen recordings, and the button to start recording. Now let's touch upon this option right here, settings. Here you can get a glance at how the mode is set by default. So we have resolution set to the highest, so that's good. We have video quality 16 megabits, it's good enough. That's also good enough. Orientation, sound source, completely up to you. Mute, mic, system sound, whatever you want. Frame rate, change it to 30. 24 is not cinematic, whatever you might think. Below that we have lock screen to end, show touches on the basically touches on the screen when you're recording. This will imitate where your finger was touching the display as a semi-transparent gray dot that is visible on your screen recording. It might be a bit distracting for gameplays, so you might want to stay away from that option if you're recording such a content. But for instance, something like I am recording right now, this would be fantastic. Now, moving further down, we have show button taps, which basically would be also covered by this one, I would assume. And that's really all the options we have. So I'm gonna close this, click on the red circle to start recording. It gives me a timer right here. And whatever I'll do right now, obviously will be recorded. I'm gonna open up Netflix just so we can see how that looks like. Anyway, from here I'm going to close this and also stop the recording by interacting with the overlay and selecting the red square. Once you tap on it, it automatically saves your screen recording to your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. And you should be able to see it at the very top, but you can probably also find it under Albums and Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Now here, just make sure you tap on the Screen Recording tab, and this will display all the screen recordings that you have captured over the time. Now this is the one that I have captured. Now the reason I recorded Netflix is because Netflix has a tendency to block screen recorders. Oh my goodness, just freaking play this. So we'll see how that looks like. It's probably going to look like a fully black screen, which is what I'm expecting. And there it is, fully black screen. There was a login page, but as you can see, it's completely not visible. Netflix has this amazing little thing where it just completely blocks any kind of screen recording. It cannot block sound, but it can block your image, so what you end up with is just fully black screen. It also blocks screenshots, most likely, which I haven't tested it out, but assuming it blocks this, it most likely screenshots are under that category as well. Now, Netflix won't be the only application that does this. There are also any kind of security applications, like bank apps will also do this, but in that case, it's a more reasonable application to have this ability over Netflix, which has no security whatsoever. So yeah, anyway, I'm not salty about that one. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.